Just... Yeah. Oh, that's a low one. You are just so riled up. I have your mommy to thank for that. She encouraged that behavior. You know that, right? Donna? Wasn't Grandma. No. Grandma speaks to you nice and soft. It was your mom that was encouraging you. Yes. You gonna make some more noise so Daddy can hear? Can Daddy hear you in the other room? He can hear you in the other room. He heard you. I think he heard that. That hurt my ears. You should see your mommy over there. You should see your mommy over there. You have so much little... Yes, look at your slobber. Yeah, just blow bubbles to mommy. Blow bubbles to mommy. And she says, I want kisses. I want lots of kisses. Ha. Lots and lots and lots of kisses. You are too much, girl. I really don't want to put this back on because it's so wet. Yeah. Yeah. You're awfully quiet. Now that you made all that noise. Uh-huh. That's a nice voice. Yeah, it's nice and quiet because you have your fist in your mouth. How big is Emily? Emily is so big. Right? How big? So big. How big is Emily? So big. How big is Grandma? So big. Yeah. Yeah. Here it comes. I have to blow my nose. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. How big is Emily? So big. See if we can get that out of your mouth while we're busy talking. What else do you want to say? What else do you want to say? I have not slept all day. I've been making these noises constantly. I just can't hear myself enough. Does that taste good? Oh, yum, 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 yum. Oh, yum, 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 yum. That tastes good, doesn't it? Yes, it does. Can you see how tired I am? Yeah. Yeah. Quiet. It's quiet time. It's bedtime. Don't you want to go to bed? Get some sleep? You haven't slept a wink today. You've been tired. Just tell Mommy to the girl talk? What does that pretty little baby girl talk? Maybe later.